All right, I got another one for you here. So I got a Samsung flat screen TV. It's about a 75-inch flat screen TV. I got it during COVID because we had nothing to do but watch TV all the time. I'm gonna scroll over to Netflix. But the symptoms I have is to watch the series and then it'll cut to the next one, but then it'll go like dark. Finally, I was watching it during the afternoon, came back in the evening, was not able to watch it again. So I called Netflix tech support, and what they told me, so from here we can click try again, but it's not gonna work. I've done it before. Let's go to details. Contact them and call the 1-844 number with the service code there. You can reload Netflix application, reload it. So it does nothing. You try unplug it at the power source here. Usually wait about 30 seconds. So according to the expert, they said to unplug your modem and wireless router, which I have my, sorry, kind of dusty there. That's my wireless router, that's working. There, it's the signal. And then I got my modem, cable modem there. So I unplugged that for 30 seconds, see if that did the trick, didn't do it. And then there's a couple things online that you can reset, reinstall the app and stuff like that. But that didn't do the trick either. So let's go ahead and go through everything with you on this video.
If you're calling for Samsung.com product purchase and order support, press 1. For everything else, please stay on the line.
Our home number. Alright. Thank you so much for verifying those information. I understand that you're calling in about your Netflix application that is not working.
Another option, so on YouTube that you can do this, go to your settings. So settings. And you're gonna scroll down to support. I mean, the last option the guy did mention is resetting the whole thing, or basically a hard reset to factory setting. The guy in the video says you can go to support and go to device care, and that way you can reset, or basically, so what happens is, the way I understand it, is Netflix downloads all your movies onto your TV, so kind of clogs the system as far as the amount of data and cache being utilized in memory. So basically your memory is being used up, basically, what it comes down to. All right, there you have it. We're back in business.